Welcome to JH. Today, we are exploring how to initiate a Slack thread. Utilizing threads is an excellent way to maintain organized discussions and keep your team perfectly aligned. To begin, navigate to the specific channel where the conversation should take place. Verify that all necessary team members are part of this channel so they can easily view and participate in the dialogue. This ensures that everyone who needs to see the information has immediate access to it. Once you are inside the channel, find the message input area and type your opening statement. To make your post more effective and engaging, you can attach helpful files like documents or images right here. Simply select the option to upload from your computer and wait a moment for the file to process fully. After your message and attachments are ready, locate the More Actions menu to access additional controls for your post. Next, right-click on your message to see More Interaction Settings and select the option to start a reply thread. This is where the magic happens, as it isolates specific discussions from the main channel feed, making it much simpler to follow related questions and answers. Enter the details needed to kick off the thread, such as a brief summary or a specific question to prompt feedback. When you are finished typing everything, select the Start option to establish the thread. Keep in mind that you can use @mentions within the thread to invite specific colleagues for more direct involvement. To notify someone directly, just click their name or mention them in your text. Finally, hit the Send Now button to publish your threaded message. You have now mastered Slack threads, which helps separate high-level updates from detailed discussions. Thanks for joining us. Please like and subscribe for more useful guides.